name is Zia Chaudhary, and I am proud to be running to serve you as your city councillor. You know, the Scarborough left behind. Since amalgamation, we don't have any investment here. We need transit, we need proper investment. You know, Scarborough, lots of property tax, they are investing in the downtown Toronto. We need to bring that fund. We need to invest here. And second thing, we need to work on the subway extension, Scarborough subway extension. I am going to fight for that to bring at least 5 to 6 subway station here, right here in Ward 25. Then there are so many issues. During my door knocking, I heard there are so many issues like road safety, road is not good, they are not cleaning, there is no proper in time. So I'm going to work. So what I'm going to do just after election, because I have only 1 year. The next year is another election, right? This is my election. So what I will do after my election, I will go and meet our residents. I will do the meetings with them. I will find out what they need and how to proceed, we can complete that work. So please vote for me. My name is Zia Chaudhary and my number is number 6 at the ballot.
Great. What are the two top things in your campaign you want to, if you get elected, what would you like to do?
Two things. First things, I need it should be fiscal responsible. We are wasting lots of money. Like if you see the project, what unit project is going on 6 to 3 years, it should complete in 1 year. So we should find the person who can direct handle that project, so the project will complete in time. So and it will not increase the money, the budget. So we need to control that. We should be fiscal responsible, and we need to work for seniors. You know, seniors they have a small income, they don't have too much money, and if we increase the property tax like that, since 2 years, they increase around 22%. So we should not increase for seniors. Seniors is already vulnerable, they have a small income. We should take care of seniors.
Great, and you got quite the business background community, right? You got quite the business background community.
Yes.
Yeah, your name is known, I've known your name.
Yes, yes.
So you would bring that into your campaign as elected as official, so you know where the money goes, how far the dollar stretches, right? Right.
So I'm the small business owner. I know how to earn the money, how to spend the money, how to take care of money. So I will take care of all the small business owners. So they should grow in the community. So we need proper subway extension. So I will fight for this Scarborough subway extension. I'll bring at least 4 to 5 subway stations here, right here, so the people can work, people can go for job, people can go to school, people can do the service. So many things are around, and I'm also going to work on the parks, community centers, recreation centers, province. I'm going to take care. So what I will do after my election, I have only 1 year. So what I will do, I will go to each and every community. I will bring it into table, everyone. We will discuss. Then we will finalize how to do, what is the most better, what I can achieve in 1 year. I will work accordingly. Please vote for me. My name is Zia Chaudhary.
Thank you so much, sir.